Where's you holding?
Yeah.
Oh, boost. Hi, YouTube. Hi, Ken. Yeah. I'm gonna shoot a Foster's cam because I'm paying.
Oh wait, shit, it's there.
It's
oh.
right there.
I didn't realise it was there.
Right, stay there. Just stay there and I'll shoot it. No, not there. It's too close.
No, oh shit, yeah.
Right, do you want to view my gun for all the people that want to wank over it on YouTube?
Ain't that good, Alex?
It's magical. Giggity.
Oh fuck, that got me!
First shot there, baby.
Oh shit, I smell of Foster's now, you prick.
Oh, you love it. Breadcrumbs.
You got your camera.
Huh?
You got your camera.
Is the camera wet?
I don't know.
Everyone loves bread. Mac change! Love it.
Shit can.
Fair enough. Mag change.
Have you got another mag?
No, that's all. That's both.
That's fucking... everything's wet around here. I got completely destroyed.
I got totally ass raped.
That's pretty screwed.
It's cool, man. Whoa! Yeah, it's based. Yeah. Do you want to come and call me masturbating? Yeah, but let's stop.